An affidavit is filed on this Monday, verified on 11th of January. 11th of January is 2 days before. It is attested by the Government of India, level of secretary in the department. In para 2 of the affidavit, I quote, they say, to the Supreme Court, no less. For the purpose of dispelling, this affidavit is filed for the purpose of dispelling the erroneous notion that the protesters have peddled. Look at the word used for the protesters. That the central government and the parliament never had any consultative process or examination of issues by any committee before passing of the laws in question, unquote. मतलब जो इसका विरोध कर रहे हैं वो लोग झूठ बोल रहे हैं कि केंद्र सरकार ने कोई भी बातचीत वार्तालाप नहीं किया था, ये एफिडेविट में कहा गया है. सेम थिंग इज रिपीटेड इन पैरा 3. Now, what is this consultation according to the affidavit? This is hilarious. Para 10 tells you that the consultation is setting up a Guru committee in December 2000. 20 साल पहले जो गुरु कमेटी बनाई थी वो कंसल्टेशन है जून 2020 के ऑर्डिनेंस के लिए. In para 12, they refer to a model APMC Act which the Vajpayee government had proposed. Remember, in 2003 also the model act was leaving it to the states. State can decide whether you want to adopt it or not. That's why it's called model. Then in para 12, they refer to a empowered committee set up of the state governments in 2013. In para 13, they refer to a working group. I don't understand what is all this pre-legislation consultation to refer to a working group of 2010, 2013. And again in para 14, they refer to another model law of 2017 circulated to states. After these 4 paras or 5 paras, the affidavit jumps to paras 17 and 20. No other detail, nothing. And I'm quoting you. To you, sorry. 17 says, it is submitted that Government of India has been thus actively and intensively with the states for about 2 decades to achieve objectives of reform to provide accessible and barrier-free market system for better price, but states showed either reluctance. So what they are saying is we are doing pre-legislation consultation for 2 decades. The above referred would show that there has been an elaborate consultative process and procurement of views of various programs phases by the farmers. Can you call this elaborate consultative process? 2000, committee in 2003, model acts in 2003 and 17 is an elaborate consultative process according to the Government of India. No other information is given in the affidavit.